You can have the best plan in the world, but if your thinking is chaotic, your execution will be too. Welcome back to Trader's Audio Edge. Today's session is a reminder that your mindset isn't separate from your trading strategy. Your thoughts are your strategy. Every hesitation, every impulse, every overtrade, every missed entry, it all starts in your mind. Master your thoughts, and you master your edge. If you're constantly second-guessing, avoiding setups, chasing green candles, or cutting winners early, those behaviors didn't come out of nowhere. They're patterns of thought, built over time. If you believe the market owes you something, you'll press when you shouldn't. If you believe you can't trust yourself, you'll hesitate when your setup triggers. Your thought loops create your trading loops. Until you interrupt them, no amount of chart time will change the outcome. The market doesn't just respond to your execution, it reflects your mindset. Think about it. A setup appears, but your inner voice says, "What if it fails?" So you wait. Then price moves, and now you think, "I knew it." So you jump in late. That's not strategy, that's reaction. A real trader doesn't just look for setups. They manage thoughts. They create internal rules as clearly as they draw levels on a chart. Start treating your thought process the same way you treat your entry criteria. Be specific. Be structured. What do you think when a setup appears? What do you tell yourself after a loss? What's the inner monologue after a win? Write these out, because once you're aware of your thoughts, you can refine them. And when your thinking becomes rule-based, your trading follows. Self-talk isn't soft. It's a tool. It's your in-the-moment feedback loop. You don't need a hype speech. You need a grounded phrase that reminds you of your process. Try this. "I've seen this setup before. I know my rules. I know my risk." Or, "This trade doesn't define me. My discipline does." Repeat it before you act. Repeat it after you hesitate. Over time, your brain will start to believe it, and your trades will reflect it. You might think you're trading the chart, but you're really trading your state of mind. When you're calm, that same setup looks clean. When you're tilted, it looks risky or forced. That's why two traders can see the same chart and make completely different decisions. One is reacting from noise. The other is grounded in process. Your job is to be the latter, not just by controlling emotions, but by understanding where your thoughts go under stress. Your trades will never be more consistent than your mindset. You can backtest for hours and still lose money if your thoughts aren't aligned with your rules. You'll cut winners short, skip entries, and hold losers just a little longer to see if it comes back. That's not a strategy problem. That's a thought problem. And the sooner you address it, the sooner your performance stabilizes. Before your next session, take 2 minutes to mentally rehearse your internal dialogue. Visualize price coming into your zone. What thoughts pop up? How do you respond? What do you want to think in that moment? Then visualize a stop out. What thoughts rush in? How do you stay grounded? Do this daily. You're not just preparing to trade. You're preparing to think like a trader. The next time you want to improve your edge, don't just tweak your system. Check your thinking. Are you rushing? Avoiding? Justifying? Your thoughts are the code your strategy runs on. If the code is clean, the process flows. If the code is cluttered, even the best setup falls apart. Every trading mistake starts in your head. Train the mind, and the rest will follow.